Standard 9th, Subject Maths Part 2nd, Chapter 5th, Quadrilaterals. Students, we already started this chapter in the last year. Now let us recall. Here quadrilateral ABCD is given. Write the following pairs considering quadrilateral ABCD. First, write pairs of adjacent sides. Here side AB and side BC are adjacent sides. Adjacent म्हणजे अगदी लगतच्या. Then side BC and side CD are adjacent sides. Then side CD and side DA are adjacent sides. Side DA and side AB are adjacent sides. Now here pairs of adjacent angles. Angle A and angle B हे दोन्ही लगतचे कोण आहेत, लगतचे अँगल आहेत, म्हणून हे ॲडजसंट आहेत. देन अँगल बी अँड अँगल सी, अँगल सी अँड अँगल डी, अँगल डी अँड अँगल ए. देन पेअर्स ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स. Here side AB and side CD are opposite sides. Side BC and side AD are opposite sides. Then pairs of opposite angles. Angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Let us recall types of quadrilaterals and their properties. I am a quadrilateral. My both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. This is parallelogram. My properties: opposite sides congruent, opposite angles congruent, diagonals bisect each other. Then my all angles are right angles, rectangle. My properties: opposite sides congruent, diagonals congruent and they bisect each other. Then my all sides are equal in length. My all sides are equal in length, rhombus. My properties: opposite sides congruent, diagonals bisect each other and perpendicular to each other and also bisect opposite angles. My all angles are equal and all sides are equal, square. My properties: diagonals congruent and they bisect each other. My only one pair of opposite sides is parallel, trapezium. Let us learn parallelogram. A quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides parallel is called a parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. First property: opposite sides congruent. Second property: opposite angles congruent. And third property: diagonals bisect each other. Now let us see theorem. Opposite sides and opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Here figure is given. Quadrilateral ABCD. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. It means side AB parallel side DC, side AD parallel side BC. To prove segment AD congruent segment BC, segment DC congruent segment AB, angle ADC congruent angle CBA and angle DAB congruent angle B, C, D. Construction, draw diagonal AC. Draw diagonal AC. Proof, segment DC parallel segment AB and diagonal AC is a transversal. Therefore, angle DCA congruent angle BAC and angle DAC congruent angle BCA. These two angles are alternate angles. Now in triangle ADC and triangle CBA, angle DAC congruent angle BCA from 2. Angle DCA congruent angle BAC from first. Segment AC congruent segment CA common side. Therefore, triangle ADC congruent triangle CBA ASA test. Therefore, side AD congruent side CB and side DC congruent side AB. Here CSCT means congruent sides of congruent triangles. Also angle ADC congruent angle CBA. CACT means congruent angles of congruent triangles. Similarly, we can prove angle DAB congruent angle BCD. आता हे जर आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं असेल सिमिलरली दिलेलं, तर मग हा डायगोनल न घेता असा आपल्याला डायगोनल घ्यावं लागेल. डायगोनल DB आपल्याला कन्स्ट्रक्ट करावं लागेल आणि मग त्याच्यानुसार हे जे जसं आपण दाखवलं आहे अँगल आणि सेगमेंट कॉन्ग्रुएंट दाखवलं आहे तसं दाखवून आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करता येईल. नंतर पुढचा थेरम घेऊया आपण. थेरम, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Here parallelogram is given PQRS. Here given quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Diagonals PR and QS intersect at point O. To prove segment PO congruent segment RO and segment SO congruent segment QO. Proof, in triangle POS and triangle ROQ, these two triangles, angle OPS congruent angle ORQ, alternate angles. Side PS congruent side RQ, opposite sides of parallelogram. These two are opposite sides of parallelogram. Angle PSO congruent angle RQO, alternate angles. Triangle POS congruent triangle ROQ by ASA test. Segment PO congruent segment RO and segment SO congruent segment QO, corresponding pairs of congruent triangles, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Remember this, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Let us start practice set 5.1. First sum. Diagonals of a parallelogram WXYZ intersect each other at point O if angle XYZ is equal to 135 degree. Then what is the measure of angle XWZ and angle YZW? If length OY is equal to 5 cm, then length WY is equal to what? We have to find length WY. Here quadrilateral WXYZ is a parallelogram. Now here draw figure. This is parallelogram. These two sides are congruent and these two opposite sides are congruent and these two opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, this is a parallelogram. Here, angle XYZW is equal to 135 degree given. Angle XYZ congruent angle XWZ. This angle is given, angle XYZ 135 degree given, and we know that in parallelogram opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, angle XYZ congruent angle XWZ. These two angles are opposite angles and opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, angle XWZ is equal to 135 degree. Now segment WZ parallel segment XY and segment ZY is a transversal. Therefore, angle YZW, this angle YZW plus angle ZYX, angle YZW and angle ZYX, these two angles are interior angles. Therefore, angle YZW plus angle ZYX is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles, angle YZW plus angle ZYX is equal to angle XYZ means ZYX is 135 degree. Therefore, put the value of angle ZYX 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle YZW is equal to 180 degree, and this 135 goes to that side, becomes minus 135 degree. Angle YZW is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, we got here angle YZW is equal to 45 degree. Now length OY is equal to 5 centimeter given in our sum. OY is equal to OW because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, length OW is equal to 5 centimeter. While WY is equal to OY plus OW. WY is equal to OY plus OW, 5 plus 5. Length OY is equal to 10 centimeter. आता हे जे सेकंड सम आहे ते तुम्ही घरी सोडवणार आहात. आपल्याला पॅरलेलोग्राम ABCD दिलेला आहे. अँगल ए दिलेला आहे 3x + 12 डिग्री आणि ॲडजस्टंट अँगल एचा ॲडजस्टंट अँगल बी दिलेला आहे 2x - 32 डिग्री. आता हे दोन्ही ॲडजस्टंट अँगल आहेत म्हणून आपल्याला माहिती आहे ॲडजस्टंट अँगल सप्लिमेंटरी असतात पॅरलेलोग्राममध्ये. म्हणून अँगल ए प्लस अँगल बी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री घ्यायचं. अँगल एच्या खाली ही व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची, अँगल बीच्या खाली ही व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची आणि दोघांचं ॲडिशन इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. मग आपल्याला एक्सची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल आणि एक्सची व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्यानंतर आपण पुन्हा अँगल ए, आता अँगल एचा अपोजिट अँगल कोणता येणार आहे याच्यामध्ये, अँगल सी येईल. अँगल ए इज इक्वल टू अँगल सी इज इक्वल टू 3x + 12 डिग्री आणि इथे जी एक्सची व्हॅल्यू आलेली ती इथे पुट करायची, 3 × एक्सची व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची आणि ॲडिशन करून आपल्याला अँगल ए इज इक्वल टू अँगल सी मिळेल, म्हणजेच अँगल सी मिळाला आपल्याला. आणि त्याच्यानंतर अँगल बी इज इक्वल टू अँगल डी इज इक्वल टू 2x - 32 डिग्री घ्यायचं, एक्सची व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची, मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि सबट्रॅक्शन करायचं, आपल्याला अँगल डी मिळेल. आता आपण थर्ड सम घेणार आहोत. थर्ड सम इज पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए पॅरलेलोग्राम इज 150 सेंटीमीटर. One of its sides is greater than the other side by 25 centimeter. Find the length of all sides. Here quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Draw figure quadrilateral ABCD. This is parallelogram. This side is x centimeter and this side is x plus 25 centimeter. Let AB is equal to x centimeter and other side is greater than 25 centimeter. Therefore x plus 25 centimeter. Other side BC. Other side BC is equal to x plus 25 centimeter. And opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC means DC is equal to x centimeter from first, and BC is equal to AD. AD is equal to x plus 25 centimeter from first. Therefore perimeter of a parallelogram is equal to 150 degree given. Here perimeter of a parallelogram is equal to 150 centimeter is given. Therefore perimeter means addition of all sides. Perimeter means addition of all sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is equal to 150. AB is equal to x here plus BC is equal to x plus 25 plus CD is equal to x centimeter plus AD is equal to x plus 25 is equal to 150. X plus x plus x plus x 4x plus 25 plus 25 50 is equal to 150. 4x is equal to 150. This plus 50 goes to that side, becomes minus 50. 150 minus 50. 4x is equal to 150 minus 50, 100. X is equal to 100 and this multiply by 4 goes to that side, divided by 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 and 4 5 जा 20. Therefore x is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore AB is equal to DC is equal to x centimeter. AB is equal to DC is equal to x centimeter is equal to x is equal to 25 centimeter. And BC is equal to AD is equal to x plus 25. X ची व्हॅल्यू 25, 25 plus 25 50 centimeter. sum phi is diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at point O if AO is equal to phi, BO is equal to 12 and AB is equal to 13. Then show that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. First draw quadrilateral ABCD. Here AO is equal to phi and BO is equal to 12 is given. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, OA is equal to OC is equal to phi and OB is equal to OD is equal to 12. In triangle OAB, OA square plus OB square is equal to phi square plus 12 square. Phi square 25, 12 square 144, 25 plus 144 169. Here AB is equal to 13. AB is equal to 13 given. Therefore AB square is equal to 13 square is equal to 169. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB plus angle COB. Angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree because this angles in linear pair. Angle AOB is equal to here 90 degree plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Angle COB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Angle COB is equal to 90 degree. In right angle triangle BOC, OC is equal to OA is equal to phi and OB is equal to 12 given. By Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to OC square plus OB square. OC is phi, therefore OC square phi square. OB is equal to 12, therefore OB square 12 square. Phi square 25 plus 12 square 144. Here BC square is equal to 169. BC is equal to 13. Here taking square root of both sides. BC square root of BC square BC. Square root of 169 13. Therefore AB is equal to 13 given. Therefore AB is equal to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC and BC is equal to AD. Therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Now sixth sum is in the figure 5.12. This is figure 5.12. Quadrilateral PQRS and quadrilateral ABCR are two parallelograms. Here shown in figure, PQRS and ABCR are two parallelograms. If angle P is equal to 110 degree, then find the measures of all angles of quadrilateral ABCR. Here quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Angle P and angle R are opposite angles. and we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle P is equal to angle R is equal to 110 degree. Now here quadrilateral ABCR is a other parallelogram. Here angle R is equal to 110 degree. In quadrilateral ABCR, angle R in quadrilateral ABCR, angle R and angle B are opposite angles. Angle R is equal to angle B is equal to 110 degree. We know that opposite angles of a parallelogram is congruent. Angle C and angle R are adjacent angles. Angle C and angle R are adjacent angles. Therefore, angle C plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. And we know that in a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. Here angle C plus angle R is equal to 110 degree. Therefore, here 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here plus 110 goes to that side, becomes minus 110. 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 70 degree. Here angle C and angle A. Angle C and angle A are opposite angles. Angle C is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to also 70 degree. Angle C is equal to angle A is equal to 70 degree. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. Here our practice set 5.1 completed. 7 sum cancelled.